What's up everybody, it's Matt from TDM Style here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a new skincare video. It's been a minute since I've done one of these and I've had a bunch of requests lately, and perfect timing because for the past probably 5 weeks now I've been using a new skincare system from the brand called EVENPRIME. So we're going to talk about that today, as well as a couple of extra products that I use as well. Now, before we get started, as I've mentioned in my previous skincare videos, my number one recommendation, if you are struggling with acne or any other skin problems, I cannot recommend enough, go see a dermatologist. It will be the best decision for you. I struggled with acne throughout my entire middle school, high school, college life. And I went to the dermatologist for a while, tried different things, different medications and whatever, found some stuff that finally worked for me and cleared up my acne to the point where I could then use, a standard skincare system just as maintenance. Now, beyond that, my personal belief, as well as the belief of many others who are into skincare, my ideal skincare system is made up of 3 parts. You've got your cleanser, your toner, and your moisturizer. And then of course there are some other things you can use to supplement, like I love a good under eye cream because I have dark circles. And then, if you've got a beard, there's like beard oils and balms and stuff. But yeah, cleanser, toner, and moisturizer are like the main 3. Which again works out perfectly because those are exactly the 3 products that are offered from EVENPRIME. So this is not a sponsored video, but they did send me these to try out and to review for you guys. And I'm really super happy that they did because, spoiler, these things are fucking bomb. So a little bit about this company. They are from Santa Monica, California, and they're working with chemists in the Korean skincare market. Now, it's been well known that Korean skincare is just top tier, worlds beyond other skincare. So these guys, the founders actually spent some time living and working in Asia, so they brought, the chemistry and that skincare from Korea back here to this new company, and here we are. So as of right now, they only make these 3 products. So they have their cleansing gel, their soothing mist, which is their toner, and then their daily moisturizer. So as far as packaging and pricing on each of these, you can buy them individually. So the cleansing gel comes in this 2.7 ounce or 80 ml tube, and this comes in at $16. The soothing mist, toner, and essence spray comes in this 2 ounce or 60 ml spray bottle, and that comes in at $24. And their daily moisturizer also comes in this 2 ounce. This one's a pump top, 2 ounce or 60 ml, and this one comes in at $32. Now you can also order these in kits. So you can get, let's take a look here. They have their Origins skincare set, which is the cleansing gel and the moisturizer for $44. They have the Odyssey skincare set, which is the soothing mist and the moisturizer for $52, or they have the kit that they sent me here, which is all 3 products, and that one comes in at $64. So if you get all 3 together, which honestly I think you should because that's the ideal skincare routine in my opinion, you save some bucks there as well. And as far as the exterior packaging, they all each come in these little boxes, and then inside, of course, the cardboard shipping box. Now, a few other notes on the packaging. Number 1, their font choice and things, and the look of the packaging is inspired by Cowboy Bebop, which yes, hello, fucking massive Bebop fan here. So yeah, extra points for that. And beyond that, these guys are all cruelty-free creation. They are very pro-planet, so all their bottles are recyclable plastic. Their cardboard boxes are all made from FSC-certified paper from well-managed forests, and they also have a shipping process to help reduce their carbon footprint. And on top of that, they donate 1% of all their profits to ocean cleanup procedures. So really cool. I'm all about, kind of helping to preserve the environment and stuff, so I'm definitely into the recycling and all that, and the donations to charity. That's all just great news. So how do all these work? Well, their entire system is made to be suitable for any skin type, any race, doesn't matter. If your skin is sensitive or oily or acne prone, this should work for anybody. The other thing too is that all of these are very unscented. The cleansing gel has a very, very slight kind of citrusy scent to it, but it's barely noticeable. And I've noticed, for me as a person who does have sensitive skin, the unscented skincare stuff is always best because, a lot of times those added fragrances can irritate your skin. So my routine as it stands right now, I do this once in the morning when I get up, as well as once before bed. So I start with the cleansing gel, of course, so I'll wet down my face, and you only need a little bit of the cleansing gel and just work that in. It lathers up really nicely. Don't forget to get into your beard as well. So once I rinse off that cleansing gel and dry my face down, then I go in with a few spritzes of the toner. And this is nice because, you know, most toners you need to like pour them onto a little cotton pad and wipe them, so you can just eliminate that step and just spray it on. It does feel really refreshing. And, you know, so after washing with the cleansing gel, your face does feel nice and clean, and then that toner does the job that it's supposed to do, and then it balances the pH of your skin, and it just kind of preps it and gets it ready for that moisturizer. And their daily moisturizer is so light, which I absolutely love in a facial moisturizer. It's got to be light. You don't want anything that's going to be heavy or oily, and this is exactly that. I go in with about a pump and a half, and that does my whole face and neck as well, and it just feels great. It's super light, it's very hydrating, it absorbs really quickly, and again, it's completely unscented. Now, as far as the additional products that I like to use, I mentioned I like an under eye cream, so I've been sticking with this eye fuel from Kiehl's that I got a long time ago, and basically it lasts forever because you use the tiniest little bit. This stuff is decent, honestly. I've used some better stuff from Kiehl's, but it's not bad. And, you know, as a person with dark circles that are partially genetic and partially due to allergies and stuff, an under eye cream that is meant to reduce those and reduce puffiness is something that I now swear by. Then as far as beard care lately, I've been alternating between the Oliver J. Woods Perilla Oil and the Scarecrow Scented Beard Balm from Chesapeake Beard Company. Both of these are wonderful. Both smell fucking outrageously good. And last but not least, I do use this CC cream from IT Cosmetics. I use this basically as a concealer or just kind of color balancer, especially when I'm filming. So like I've got it on right now, and it helps to really eliminate the rest of those dark circles and just kind of, you know, balance the color of your skin tone overall. And, you know, some guys are not into it because it's makeup. But you know what? It's 2019. Who fucking cares, dude?
I don't care.
What?
Doesn't bother me.
And guess what? It is makeup. I don't care. It makes me look good. And yeah, so that is my current skincare routine, and you know, my skin has stayed nice and clear, it feels nice and hydrated all the time, so this is working really well. I am honestly super happy that EVENPRIME reached out and sent me these, and yeah, this stuff is great. I really honestly do enjoy them. I think they work really, really well, and I can see how they would work well for any skin type, because my facial skin is pretty damn sensitive, and these have been amazing. So if you guys are interested in checking out EVENPRIME, I actually do have a discount code for you as well. You can use my code MattB1 at checkout to get 15% off your order. And I do also have an affiliate link below as well. So as I mentioned, this is not a sponsored video. They didn't pay me for my opinion, but if you do use my affiliate link, I do make a little bit of the sales from that, so that would help to support me and the channel. So that wraps things up for this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this. I hope that this was helpful, especially for those of you who have been requesting an updated skincare video. And yeah, thanks again to EVENPRIME for sending these products out for me to try. I really, really do love them, and I highly recommend that any of you guys who are interested in some new skincare, definitely worth checking out. I've got lots more cool stuff coming up soon, so if you haven't already, please do hit that subscribe button down below to keep up to date with everything. And as always, thank you guys so much for coming by and watching, and we'll see you at the next one.